welcome to today's video. On today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to add multiple Google Chrome on your desktop computer or your laptop. So first of all, you come to your Google Chrome tab and you open. When you open the Google Chrome, as you can see, my own is open already. You come to these three dots by the right hand side and you right click, and you came down to this sign in. This is where you see your accounts that you used to sign in. Then you come to by your left side, then you scroll down. You can see I have another extra two accounts here, but it's only one Google Chrome that is showing on my laptop. So how do you add another Google Chrome? You come down to this manage profile, or down here you click on manage your profile. Then you can see the three accounts that I have. This is the one that the Chrome is showing on my laptop. So if I want to add this one, then you click on these three dots again, and you click where it says edit. Then you will open up another window for setting. Then for here you can name it anything. You can name it here anything that you want, whether your name, anything that you want to name it, you can name it here. And if you want to change the profile that is on it, this is the one that is on it before. So you want to change it to this one, then right click. Then if you want to add the Chrome on your laptop or your desktop, then you came down for here where it says create shortcut. Create shortcut, then you turn this on. So as you can see, as I have turned this on, automatically this account, the Google account on this, have been opened to another Google listing. Let me go back to, let me close it so that you see what I'm saying. So as you can see, this is it. This is the one that we just, as you can see, this is the one that we just added now. If you want to add another one, then click again and you open the three dots. Then you turn down, then you come to the left hand side and you still come to manage your profile. So this is the one that I added already. So let me add this one. Then you go to the three dots, you click on edit, and you wait to open. You can also change the name to anything, whether personal or work or anything that you want. Then you come down for here again. I can choose any color, any profile that you want. This is the one that's on it, that I choose on it. So let me choose another one. Let me choose this one. Then you come down again to this create desktop shortcut. Then you turn this thing on. As you can see, as you turn it on, let me close it and go back so that you see what you see. See the third one. So you can create this thing multiple times. If you have 5 email and you don't want to be logging in, clicking on this direct, not when you click on this one, then you'll be looking for the other profile. This is how you create the shortcut. So if this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this, and like it so that YouTube will recommend it for more people that need something like this. Thank you for watching.